Hiya. Today I'm gonna be showing you my indicator relocation brackets on my Harley FX LL lowrider. There's none on YouTube. I can't find any tutorials on it. The paperwork comes with it is a bit vague, so I thought I'd show you what I'd done so far. I'm going to do it my way because I think the other way is long-winded, and if you can do a bit of soldering, I think this is the easiest way to do it. So I'll show you what I've done so far. So I've taken that off, just undone the 2 bolts there, the other side, lifted this up, undone the indicators that bolted in here, in this bit, and there's a bit of velcro, like, you can see it that side, that's like that holds the wire in, and I cut the wire around here, so I'm left with that. I've bolted them to the relocation brackets, which sit like that, so you can get your saddlebags on, your bags on. Now the kit comes with all this, which is for, I think I ain't going to rewire the whole bike, so I'm just going to use part of that, some heat shrink, and voila, done. I think that's the best way. So so I'm going to solder these wires, extend them, or extend those ones, I don't know which ones yet, and then run it to there. And then put it all back on. On the backs of these you've got brackets somewhere. I've got them somewhere. Yeah, well, there's brackets. Oh, there they are. The brackets are there. The caps go on the back. You get all that stuff with it. So I'll show you a bit more in a minute when I've done the soldering. Show you it all put back together. So I pulled this wire back through, trimmed the wires back, and I'm going to use some of the wire that's already supplied. So I cut 2 wires, I've cut 4 actually, all the same length. 2 black, 2 purple. From out of the pack you get all that lot. I don't know what the blue, red and all that's for, but this I found is the easiest way. Just extend them. So they're all soldered on. I'm going to put some shrink wrap on it, heat shrink on it. I've cut two of each. And this, do exactly the same to the other side. So that's it, heat shrunk on there. This outer sheath comes with the kit, so I'm just going to use that, push it on, like so. And then I'm going to use a bit more shrink to shrink that to it. Finishes it off nicely. And these are 2 at the bottom which I can adjust. So I'll do that and put it all back through here, ready to put the indicator on. So that's that. We'll shrunk on there. Just see the 2 wires at the top there. That'll do for that one. Give me enough play on it to connect the other 2. So that's that one through. Remember to put that through there before you solder it. That's one side, so that now has a plate on it and fits on there like that. Done. And that extends it back that far. I'll show you when it's all put together properly. Found in one of my screwdriver sets. So it's not an Allen, but it fits. It does look like an Allen key, but hey, it fits. So we use that. Do these up. We get it tight enough. So this is a star one. I'm sure they're Allen keys. They do look like Allen. Yeah, I'd say they're Allen ones. That works good enough. So this bolt. And a washer. Put it through. Do another pair of hands, really. See if I get the right tool ready, wouldn't it? It's funny that they. I'm just going to feel it. There you go. So we'll use that one. Very loose. That can't be right, can it? To me they seem very loose on that. Might stick another washer on that actually, just to pull it in a bit tighter. Yeah, I'll do that I think. So that's them on, nice and tight. Just needed a locking washer on it. All done. So it just moves it that far so your saddlebags don't hang over, because your indicator would normally be here. Just brings it out that further so that when my saddlebags actually turn up, my luggage turns up, I can put them on and they'll all fit on there lovely. Just got the other side to do, and I think I'll do a little bit different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually solder the wires to that first, Yeah, and then feed it all through with the plate on, connect it to the bike, and then solder it here, because it gives a bit more room. It's a bit fiddly doing it the way I did it first, so that way would be better. So I'll show you when it's all done and hopefully show them all working and everything.